Welcome to another STEAM class video. This week, we're going to learn about the different types of files that we have in our devices. Remember, they can be classified by their purpose, and we will see how the file extension is key to know about what type of file it is. Are you ready to start? Let's go! Once again, welcome to another STEAM class video. Before we start, I want you to make a very important invitation, and that is to save water, okay? Remember that water is one of the most important resources. Without water, we can't live, right? So, it's important to take short baths and close the faucet during your bath. That can help you out. Also, if you're going to water the plants, do it at night or really early in the morning. And don't use the hose to wash the car or the front or the backyard, okay? It's better if you use a bucket. Can you think of another suggestion or recommendation to save water? Share it in your comments. So, let's get started. But remember, let's make a quick stop on the ID profile attribute that you will be using this week. And that is reflective. Yes, you're going to have to be reflective because you're going to think about your work. And you're going to think, how well have I done? Can I improve it? Okay. Today, we're going to talk about the types of files. Remember, a file is a piece of electronic information in your device, okay? They can be pictures, it can be a song or music, it can be a video, it can be documents, it can be a presentation. So, all these files are stored in your device. And how can you know what type of file it is? Well, generally, they have something called extension. And the extensions are the last 3 or 4 characters after the period in the name of a file. For example, this file is called Google Presentation Second Grade .pptx. So this one here, it's the extension. And I know that it's a PowerPoint presentation. And by watching this extension, I know it's a picture. Oh, this one is a GIF. Oh, this one is an Excel. So as you can see, I can recognize the types of files by their extension. If you take a look into your Google Drive, you will notice that some of your files have their extension there. So you will be able to identify what type of file they are by looking at the right side or by looking at the extension. For example, this MP4, you will see, oh, it's a video. And then this PNG, you will see that it's an image. So, let's make a general classification of files, okay? First, we have those files that mainly contain text, okay? The extension is .docx, .pages, or .txt. When you see this extension, it means that it's a file that mainly contains text, okay? And then you have those files that contain data, like a PowerPoint presentation or like Keynote. Then we have the audio files. You will identify a file by the extension of .mp3 or .wav or .wma. Whenever you see a file with the name and then this extension, you will know right away that it's an audio file. No pictures, no video, only audio, okay? And then we have the video files. And their extension is .flv, .mov, or .mp4. So whenever you see these extensions, you will know that it's a video. And then we have the images. Images can have, there can be different types of files or extensions for images. For example, .jpeg, .png, or .gif. Remember, the GIFs are pictures that generally are animated just like this bunny up here. And then we have the spreadsheet. And these type of files are generally have the extension of .xlsx or .numbers, and they are generally files to do mathematics. Remember that? Now, it's time to put your hands on. What are you going to do this week? This week, you're going to go to Google Classroom and open up the file of Types of Files worksheet. And then you will notice that you have on the first slide the instructions. If you're using a computer, you must use the option of cut and paste. If you're using an iPad, just tap on the boxes and use the option also of cut and paste. So, what are you going to do? You will see here that I have these text boxes that are representing a file, okay? So, for example, we can see that this one says jokes.txt. What type of file it is? You will see that you have folders in which you can store each one of your files. Here, you will put all the files that correspond to text, all the files that correspond to data, spreadsheets, audio, video, and images, okay? And well, you might not remember the extensions, but don't worry. On the last slide, I put you the hints. So, you can go up here and see the name of the file, jokes.txt. And then go down and check the hints, and you will see that, oh, it's a text file. So you're gonna go up here, and my suggestion is not to copy paste. My suggestion is to cut it and then paste it. Otherwise, it's going to stay here and you're gonna get a little bit confused, okay? So right button, we're going to cut, and then we're gonna take it to the folder of text files. Right button, paste, or you can go to edit and paste. Any of those two options work. Oh, if you have this one, you can install it, or you can just use the Control V. And voila, you will see that you have your jokes file in the corresponding folder. And you will do the same with each one of the files here. You will see, for example, here, bargraph.png. I think this one, I'm gonna cut it, and I'm going to take it to images. Look, the PNG extension corresponds to images. So I'm gonna drop the picture, there you go. And you will do that with all the files in here. So I hope this video has helped you out to learn a little bit more about the different types of files that we can find in our devices. Please, if you have any question about the activity, send me a message and I will be happy to help. Meanwhile, please take care, okay? And see you soon. Bye-bye.